Good morning. Come spend the day with me and see how I spend my 9 to 5 and then my 5 to 9. I work as a product manager in 30 Rockefeller in New York City, which was the inspiration of the show 30 Rock. It's also home to many of the shows you might know, like SNL, The Today Show, The Tonight Show. I usually take the train to work because there's a stop right under 30 Rock, but I wanted to show you the streets around the building because it's much prettier than the train that I usually take to get to work. What's nice about taking the train in New York and public transportation in general is that it's very passive, so you can do things like check your email or your messages or just check your phone in general, versus living in LA where I had to drive and sitting in traffic was the bane of my existence and I couldn't do anything else while I was sitting in traffic. First thing I do when I get in is reply to any urgent messages and get back to anyone I need to get back to. Mornings are also usually pretty meeting heavy. I have stand-ups with the dev teams that I'm working on. I also regularly meet with design and the other product leads who own products within the same space. If you're interested in product management, whether you're actively trying to break in or you're just curious about products in general, you might be interested in Leland. Leland is a platform that connects you with vetted career coaches. You can filter by company and background, so if you already know where you'd love to work, you can find coaches who've actually been there and can help you prepare specifically for that company and its interview process. If you're earlier in your journey and you're still trying to figure out whether product management is even right for you, coaching can really help you figure it out before you invest a lot of time, energy, and effort. Product can look completely different from company to company, and talking to someone who's lived it before can help you better understand the different types of product roles and what aligns best with you. Most coaches offer free 15-minute intro calls, so you can get advice and see if it's a good fit before you commit to anything. If you're interested in Leland, check out the link in my description below. A lot of people get food in the commissary. This is basically the dining hall for 30 Rock. No 2 p.m. jobs look exactly the same. The day-to-day can vary a lot depending on the company and the product. At this particular company, my mornings were usually pretty meeting heavy. We'd have stand-ups and cross-team alignment meetings to make sure that everyone was aligned on priorities. We were unblocking issues and just generally checking in to make sure that everyone was moving in the right direction. They have different stations with different types of food. They have a Mexican station, a salad station, really decent sushi actually, a salad bar, an Italian bar, a deli, a burger stand. I'm definitely missing a couple. There was also a food court directly underneath 30 Rock, so there were a lot of other options if you were feeling pizza, sushi, or something else. I decided to grab lunch in the commissary and eat with my coworkers. We're going up to the very top floor because there are amazing views from the top of 30 Rock. You get so much light up there and stunning views of Central Park and Midtown Manhattan. I ended up bringing the rest of my lunch back to my desk. I usually end up having working lunches. I just prefer to work through lunch sometimes and make the most of the time that I'm in the office. And then the afternoons were more free, so I could usually lock in and do more focused work in the afternoons. That could look like writing PRDs, creating dev tickets for actual execution work, reviewing Figma designs, and brainstorming with design on how we wanted the user experience to work. One thing that was also particularly unique about this role was that we were building products for internal customers. Unlike a lot of consumer products where it can be hard to reach your users, we actually had pretty easy access to ours. If we needed feedback, wanted to validate an idea, or run user interviews, we could just set time directly with the people that we wanted to speak to. It also happened to be Lunar New Year, so the APA affinity group of NBC put together a Lunar New Year fun event. They had a bunch of delicious Asian food and fun games so that everyone could get to know their colleagues. I've been trying to go to dance class regularly after work as a fun hobby. I just think dance class is fun. It's a fun way to get in exercise. It's also so good for your brain. Studies have shown that racket sports and dance are particularly good for your mind because it requires hand eye coordination. It's often social, it's physical activity, of course. And then for dance, also, memorizing choreography just challenges your mind in a really healthy way. So I've been trying to go as kind of a fun way to decompress from the workday.